Hello guys, now we are now gonna explore more about this situations in this country. And yeah, so as you guys see behind me, it's Christmas decorations. So the Christmas decorations is very big. Look, and you see, look at the tree. Now, look at this. Look, now you're later. I'm gonna go home and chill, and now I'm gonna do my homework, and then yeah, so that's my goal for today. Now, some of these days are like actually super cool, and yeah, so just things, and yeah. It's actually a very nice walk what I'm doing right now, because it's like actually beautiful right here, so you guys can see. So now we are gonna do the best. We are now gonna go, I don't know where actually. We are gonna go, oh yeah, I know we are gonna go to the park, and there we are gonna play with my brother, and yeah, so that's it actually. Look how beautiful view this is. It's beautiful actually, like beautiful. It's like it's a market here. Home for real. Now we are, as you guys know, we are now gonna go to park and play with my brother, and then we are going to home and then make a bunch of homework. And one of you guys has to hit the like button. Like actually everybody has to give a like on this video, subscribe, and share this with your friends, because if you don't, you are not their friends. So share them. This place is actually very, very, very old place. Like actually very old. Like 1,000 years ago, this place existed. Yeah. The same pathway. Actually, everything is almost the same. Oh, look at the trash can. It's way different than like the other trash cans. Of the American trash cans are way different than the Belgian trash cans. Yeah, so that's it. Look, yeah, that's it. So bye guys, I'm gonna record later like always. Every day we are gonna record a video. Every day we are gonna record 3, 2 or 1 video. So bye guys.